Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make unflavored protein powder taste better. Start by selecting a creamy liquid base, like whole milk, almond milk, or oat milk, to help mask the powder's natural taste. It is crucial to blend your shake for at least 30 seconds to ensure a smooth, clump-free consistency. A well-mixed shake makes your protein intake a much more enjoyable experience every single time. To enhance the flavor, consider adding natural sweeteners. A tablespoon of honey, maple syrup, or a couple of pitted dates can make a big difference. Fresh or frozen fruits like 1 banana or a half cup of berries also provide natural sweetness and essential nutrients. Don't forget about extracts. A 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla or almond extract can transform your shake into a delicious treat. For a richer texture and more satisfying shake, incorporate healthy fats. Half of an avocado, 1 tablespoon of nut butter, or a teaspoon of chia seeds can add incredible creaminess. Greek yogurt or cottage cheese also work wonders, making your shake thicker and boosting its protein content. A small amount, about 1 tablespoon, of unsweetened cocoa powder can also provide a delightful chocolatey flavor. Get creative with your protein shakes by trying unique combinations. A half teaspoon of warm spices like cinnamon or nutmeg can add a comforting aroma and taste. For an energizing start, blend your protein powder with a cup of coffee or cold brew. Freezing your fruits, such as 1 cup of berries, beforehand will result in a much thicker, colder, and more refreshing smoothie, perfect for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.